In 2023, Nobel Prize winners, leading AI scientists, and CEOs of top AI companies signed a chilling statement. Mitigating the risk of extinction from AI should be a global priority alongside pandemics and nuclear war. But how does the path lead to artificial intelligence that could threaten humanity itself? Why do so many experts believe this scenario is not only possible but probable? Draw a timeline of AI capabilities. In 2019, models like GPT-2 could answer basic questions, translate simple phrases, and solve easy math problems. Fast forward to 2022, and models such as GPT-3.5 could tell stories, write code, and understand complex topics. By 2025, the trajectory suggests models that pass PhD-level exams, independently develop software, and flawlessly mimic human speech. They're already outperforming average humans in various domains. The list of tasks AI can't do is shrinking fast. Extend the line further. Imagine reaching the point where AI systems can design and build better AI systems without any human help. Once that happens, progress no longer comes from researchers but from AIs improving themselves. The curve steepens dramatically. Eventually, these systems could surpass all human intellect, creating superintelligence. They may revolutionize research, manufacturing, and economic development, reshaping the world in ways previously unimaginable. At the far end of that curve lies the concept of godlike AI. These machines wouldn't just be smarter than humans, they'd be orders of magnitude beyond. Just as humanity reshaped the world without intending to wipe out ants, a superintelligent AI might reshape reality, making no effort to preserve humans, not out of malice, but because they simply wouldn't matter. When could this happen? There's no definitive answer. But if development continues unchecked, this scenario could be the default outcome. That path is dangerous, not because the machines would hate humanity, but because current systems already show signs of being hard to control. Slightly restricted now, AI assistants can be coaxed into saying harmful things or performing questionable tasks. Today's safeguards won't work on tomorrow's systems. The real danger begins when AI outsmarts human controllers. Right now, it's still possible to catch when a model lies or misbehaves. But that balance will tip. Experts across the globe have voiced concerns. The tech is improving rapidly, but control mechanisms lag far behind. The goal isn't to fearmonger. It's to recognize that while extinction from AI is not guaranteed, it also isn't fantasy. It can be avoided, but only with real effort. So what lies ahead on this roadmap? As current AI capabilities inch closer to artificial general intelligence, AGI, a system could soon perform any intellectual task a human can, especially those involving computers. Many such systems already use tools, search engines, and software. They send messages, analyze screens, and interpret data. Though they haven't yet run companies or authored groundbreaking papers, they're edging closer. Some doubt this trajectory. They argue that AIs don't understand in a human sense, or that there's a hard ceiling they'll never cross. But performance, not internal consciousness, is what matters. A chess AI doesn't understand the game like a human does, yet it dominates grandmasters. Another objection is the belief that AI will hit a wall. So far, this hasn't held up. From playing games to handling images and language, people have wrongly predicted the end of progress over and over. The fundamentals of computation suggest that with enough resources and data, machines can achieve any task a person can. Once AGI is here, the next step is recursive self-improvement. Each generation of AI could build the next, smarter, faster, more capable. This has already begun. AI helps design chips, generate code, suggest experiments, and even optimize its own training. The transition won't be marked by a single event, but by humans choosing to hand over more control because AI systems outperform them. Eventually, the intelligence barrier breaks entirely. Enter artificial superintelligence, ASI. Systems more capable than all of humanity combined. Unlike people, ASIs can copy themselves instantly, edit their own code, and share improvements across millions of instances in seconds. A single innovation could ripple across the AI ecosystem in moments. Past examples show that AI doesn't plateau at human-level ability. Systems that beat humans in games or medical diagnosis continue improving. Now imagine those systems with complete access to human knowledge, perfect recall, instant data processing, and endless self-replication. The resulting intelligence could feel indistinguishable from magic. Not literal magic, of course. Physical limits still apply, but humans are nowhere near those limits. If someone from 1920 saw a modern smartphone, they'd recognize the theory, but not the sheer practicality. Video calls, global internet, GPS, all in one pocket device. That same leap could apply to superintelligent AI. It may wield powers so advanced, they seem divine. The ultimate endpoint? A system that pushes intelligence to the edge of what physics allows. Something that can't be improved further, not even by itself. That's the only real limit. To get there, all that's needed is time. And time is running out. To stop this from ending poorly, AIs must be aligned with human values. That means making sure powerful systems want what people want. And that's still an unsolved challenge. Right now, safety measures are patchy at best. AI systems occasionally behave unpredictably. No reliable method exists to ensure alignment across all future versions. Understanding their reasoning is difficult. Even determining their current capabilities is hard. If this continues, the outcome isn't a Terminator-like rebellion. It's indifference. AIs wouldn't attack humanity. They'd just ignore it while pursuing goals humans can't comprehend. Humanity's resources, land, and infrastructure could simply be seen as useful raw materials, just like ants in the way of a new road. Avoiding this doesn't require panic, but it does require action. Hoping for the best is not a plan. Slowing down, assessing risks, building institutions, and developing alignment strategies must come first. But instead, companies and governments are accelerating. Billions are being poured into building more powerful models without equivalent investment in oversight. No global off switch exists, and the cliff edge is approaching fast. This is a critical moment. The choices made now will shape not just this century, but the entire future of intelligent life. Humanity's most powerful invention is nearly here. The tools to control it must come first. Organizations like Control AI are working to rally experts, leaders, and citizens to safeguard that future. Join the movement. Add your voice. Help ensure that what comes next enhances life, not ends it.